yahera Juri nawe atanyikira gahunda kamuvugisha. Allo Juri, umva sheri ngiye kuza sibyo? Ariko wibuke ni iminota 10 nyine, nta kintu nsigaje gukora ni kwambara inkweto, isaha n'ishakoshi nkayitanze. Urumva ko nasohotse kandi nakamoto nkaba ndahageze sibyo? Ntunyicire gahunda nyine, ubyibuke ni iminota 10. Urabizi ko ngomba kwitegura nkaryama nkaruhuka kugira ngo ejo nzagende nta stress mfite sibyo musheri? Sawa nta kibazo turasubira. Ibahe. Mama. Wima. Yego meze neza. Wese umeze neza. Konkwiti? Mabyo bintu uri kuvuga ntabwo byumvikana. Ndagenda uno munsi. Mbese sinagombaga kuzagenda ejo mami. Saa 7 z'ijoro. Njye wambwiye kuwa mbere nyine numva ko ari kuwa mbere ntabwo numvaga ko ari mu ijoro ryo ku cyumweru nyine saa 7 z'ijoro. Kanze ngerageze ndebe ndabona ntaratinda ariko sinzi ukuntu biri bugende rwose njye ndumva binunguye. Basi se wavugishije Shyaka ukamubwira akamerekeza, nta wundi muntu uri no mu rugo. Yego man nyine nta kibazo nyine ariko urumva ko bigoranye. Wisaka uzi ko ngiye kugenda mama mbwiye ngo ndagenda saa 7 z'ijoro.
Kungwiki maze nanjye yabimbwiye. Gusa nanone sha sinzi ko ndi buboneke noneho kabisa ebana dufite umurwayi turi bubage.
Nese basi nakuntu wambwirira mbabarira mfashe nyine ndumva ko utari bumeneke. Mbabarira mfashe umbwirire Jori ko nakigiye iwabo namwemereye ko ndi buhure nawe kandi nayimaze kumubwira ko ndi bujye kumureba. Basi mfashe umumamagarire atandakarira sibyo?
Ariko se noneho ibyo uri kumbwira ni ibiki? Ubu ugiye kugenda se basi se wamagaye Willy? Umva nkubwire wari uzi ko noneho Jori cyagiye kubeshyaga yashakaga ahubwo kukujyana mu ntuze mukirori ntuze Willy yaguteguriye.
Ushatse kuvuga ko Jori yarari kumbesa ari kirori Willy yari yaneguriye? Oya nukuri wimbwira ibyo bintu ko ari byo. Mbasha bro basi mbabarira ndakwinginze sibyo? Wihangane sibyo? Nyine yihangane ugeyo basi umunsi abiri imbabazi Willy ntabwo namuvugisha ubu ngubu sibyo?
Uzi n'ikindi? Ibyo byo ndabigukorera ariko nyuma yuko mvuye hano muri stage kuko turi bize cyane ariko ndaza kubigukorera ndagere ntari. Ntari bi sister.
Sawa urakoze.
Sawa.
Ala.
Besto bite?
Yego meze neza, wowe umeze gute besti?
Shana jya mubwire nyine ko ngiye ubu ngubu nyine ngiye kurira indege.
Oya best turabeshya. Ukuntu nari ngeze mu rugo mvuga ko ngiye kuza nkakureba tukajyana ahantu none urambeshya ko kuragiye. Oya wivuga ibyo ngibyo best wivuga ibyo ngibyo ntabwo ari byo.
Sha birumvikana maze nta n'umuntu mu rugo umerekeje nta muntu n'umwe umerekeje urugo.
Oya wivuga ibyo ngibyo wivuga ibyo best oya rwose wimbwira.
Yego sha best tuzajya tuvuga. Mba ningera nzakumvugisha nyine nta kibazo. Sounds so bad.
Ala? Umva reka nitunganye nta kibazo nari nzi kuri buze ariko nta kibazo reka nitegure mitenza. Reka nshyire kuba ndaje.
So, bro,
Hey, bro.
how is it, man?
Wow,
Cool.
bro.
How is it?
I see you.
I've been just around. Where have you been? I've not been seeing you around.
These days, I've been like very busy with,
Hey,
all
man.
this
I
jobs
look good, eh?
around. Yeah, you guys have to look good.
I
for
know,
girls,
I know,
what
you
I'm
got
saying?
it, bro. That's cool, bro.
Yeah.
How is it? I just
Okay.
sit a bit. I've been looking for you all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know where you've been. How is it? Bad. These days I've been struggling with school.
I can
Those things
understand, bro.
the school, man, it's really tight. The things is too tight.
I know, bro. It's not easy.
Yeesh.
Trust me, bro. It's not easy.
Most especially the practicals, the what, going in the hospital there. It's really
I've been there, bro. I've been there.
yeah, I know.
Just remaining with some Miguel, bro. I'm done with this thing, bro. Like, I
I
really
know.
want to finish. I'm serious.
I know, bro. Yeesh. How is it?
Good,
Yeah,
But it's going to be okay, bro.
yeah.
Actually, bro, I was coming from seeing the guys there, and yeah, we're going to have a match on Monday.
Really?
Yeah, I know you can.
I've been missing playing football.
Yeah, bro, we need your skills, bro. We need those skills, eh?
It's been too long, bro. Eh?
Yeah, you need your calls, bro. You know all these passes. Yeah, we need it, bro.
Go. We have a lot of guys. Yeah, but it's okay. Oh, you said man, right?
Yeah.
Man, it's kind of trick for me because I will be just going to pick my
Come on.
cousin sister. Yeah,
Oh,
I have my cousin sister I want to pick from back home.
oh.
Yeah, that means coming this year. So I don't know how it will gonna make it. Oh my god. At
Too
what
bad,
time is it
bro.
going to be?
It's going to be at 4.
That's the exact time I will be at the
Come
airport.
on, bro. Come on.
I'm telling you.
Anyway, who's I'm still single, right?
Bro, you got a lot of babes.
No, those are just the small ones, the sections. Mm-hmm.
So you need my cousin sister.
Yeah, just you can see even
I don't
giving
think
me
you
the
can
number.
manage her. She's so crazy, I'm telling you.
This
She'll
is the
jump
type
over
I
it.
like, bruh. I can manage all type of girls. That's the type I like.
She's so crazy. I don't think you can really manage her.
Just give me a number, bro,
You wait,
know,
she's
and it's-
coming, you'll see her. She's
Yeah.
very stubborn, bruh. Even me, I don't know if I'll manage her. She's so stubborn. You just wait. When she comes, I'll let you come and see her. Of course, you have
Alright,
to.
sure, you
pass
have to,
by
bruh.
and-
You have to.
Yeah, of course.
You know you're my guy,
How
eh?
can you
You have
build
to-
such a crib and you just have no one? I'll just
Of
invite
course.
you, come.
Yeah, of course.
Then the choice will depend on her. You know me, I can't say no or yes. She's just my cousin. I can't tell her, please, this is my guy, love.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got to say something for Why?
Alright, just hook me up, you know. You know I trust you. You know you are my man, eh? My man. My man.
See you, bro.
Anyway.
So you are going to sleep?
Yeah, I'll be going to sleep, bro. I've been very busy this week.
Alright.
So busy.
Yeah, let me also I want to pick something there, then I'm coming back also to sleep. I need to sleep also.
Alright, bro.
See you,
I'll
man.
see you around, bro.
See you.
Alright.
Easy.
Alright, bro.
Mani, parece mesmo que eu tô lá. Mani, foi no game, mano. Menino me falando, ó,
Sawa, ugiye kambwira inda ntabwo yaje ariko buriya usanga arambuka yaje reka nkomeze muhamagare sibyo ndakubwira
Shyaka, vipi mabro? Fresh cyusa. Umeze gute? Ni fresh kabisa. Sinda rese ko ntago ntamubona. Sharinda se. Aho mbwira Imana, niyo nshaka byihuta. Wirari hariya mu nzu manje ndira tumora to. None se ko kuri hano hanze. Cyanje hari umuntu yegereje hano yasese ufata amana. Sana ari turavuga. Bana ari ngaruka.
Shyaka. Uzanye na Linda?
Rero bro seri. Tuvugana none akaje. Uzi ikintu kimwe yasize ambwiye cyo.
Akubwira iki?
Yasize akubwira.
Ngo ngwiki?
Bigenze gute se? Twihanganiye guys. Bigenze gute Willy ko numva urusaku rwabaye rusaku hano gusa.
Man, ngo Linda yagiye man, ngo Linda yagiye.
Ngo iki Linda yagiye? Nta sibyo nibi. Ntabwo mbyumva mu nsobanura ibintu muri kuvuga.
Mwana. Linda ubwo kuza ntabwo akije pe. Wowe maze kugenda.
Nose ni kibundi mutungo. Nababwiye ngo musoke nta numwe mucaka.
Twihanganiye icyo cyari kiranga twarangiye.
Wiki?
Ikirori cyari kiraha cyasubitswe.
Okay.
None se ndajya mubaza ko mbona mutashye ikirori kirarangiye hano
Kirangira usibye no kurangira kijya kinatangira.
ngo gwiki utambeshye uravuze ngo ikirori ntabwo cyabaye hano
Umukobwa amaze kurira indege kare. Biza surprise.
reka ye ngo bimeze bite ariko genda mana urankunda ngo gwiki ikirori nta cyabaye
Umva nibirebire kanitayiro mungari gutabona n'umwari.
Ikirori nta kigeze kibaha umva reka ngende hatagira n'icinzi mbona yaha